Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft Launcher if it's not installing on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your taskbar right here. Right click on the date and time and just click on date and time, or just date and time. Now in here, make sure that set time zone automatically is enabled and set time automatically is enabled as well. And once done, at the top, make sure that the region is correct. So just basically click on it and change it. All right here. Now make sure as well that the language selected is correct and will match right here in the regional format. And once done, go back in here. Once you have enabled these toggles, make sure to click on sync now. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, close this. Now go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store like so. Now just wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go to the top right, click on your profile, just click on sign out, and once done, just sign back in. All right, once signed back in, you can now go ahead and find Minecraft and install it. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.